Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today we're going to cover the F1 through F12 shortcut keys. F1 displays the Microsoft Help dialog box. Once the dialog box appears, you can enter in a question to research, such as how to lock cells. F2 edits the active cell, putting the cursor at the end of the cell. If I were to select cell D3 and start adding information, you will see that the previous information has been deleted. This is not the desired result. So let's select cell D3 and click on F2. You will now see that the cursor is at the end of the text, and we can start adding information. F3 displays the Insert Name Paste dialog box. In this example, we have our F3 data table, which I have already predefined in our predefined data names. If I put my cursor in cell D1 and click on F3, I can scroll down and find the F3 data table and click on OK. As you can see, it's going to put a formula in equals F3 underscore data underscore table. When I hit enter, it is going to recreate that table in cell D1. Function F4 will repeat the last worksheet action that I have done. So if I select cell D1 through cell D9 and copy that, and I paste that information into cell E1, by going over to cell F1 and pressing on F4, you will see that the information in E1 has been pasted into F1. The F5 displays the Edit Go To dialog box. F5 will allow me to quickly select and go to an object from the list. By selecting on F5, I can go to any of the objects that are in the list. So if I click on F11 table and click on OK, it will take me to the tab F11 and the table in A1. F6 will tab through the worksheet and also split window panes. F7 displays the Tools Spelling dialog box. By clicking on this, the spelling dialog box will appear and let me know which words are misspelled. By selecting F8, I'm able to toggle whether to extend the selection of the arrow keys or have it go from cell to cell. In this case, the arrow keys are going from cell to cell. If I press on F8, it will start selecting the cells as I use my arrow keys. F9 calculates all the worksheets and all the workbooks. Let's say that your Excel calculation options is set to manual update. After you update data, the formula you are using will not refresh the information. You will need to press F9 and the sum will update. F10 toggles the activation of the menu bar. F11 displays the Insert Chart dialog box that creates the chart using the highlighted range. F12 displays the File Save As dialog box. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.